Now I'm going to add one last little piece to this lesson, which has to do with adding something to Josangeles Silvestre's technique with the body triangles. So I'm going to take the intuition triangle, the expression triangle, and the balance triangle, and I'm going to add something to this chart. What I'm going to add is another element. So we have fire for the divine determination to succeed. We have water for expression, undulation, and emotion. And we have earth for security and balance. What I'm adding is here on this side, which is another element. I'm adding the element wood. And in the nature movement language, the element wood signifies the entire body form. The element wood represents strength and flexibility. Now, in the Chinese medicine philosophy, in the traditional Chinese medicine, which we call TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, wood is the most yang energy. That means it has even more potential energy than the element fire. And that is because wood is needed in order to make fire. In order to make fire, you need wood. Therefore, wood has the most potential energy. So the entire body form, from the top of the head to the feet, is signified in nature movement language by the element wood. Strength, flexibility, and the maximum amount of energy one can have or make.